On that note, let's get started. And for the first segment for the day, Vivek is joining in with us from the big wall to tell us which are the important stocks in terms of the movers and shakers, what's happened for the day as well. Vivek.
Thank you so much for that. What a wonderful trading session. The advanced decline ratio, the broader end of the market is very, very strong. Absolutely nothing to complain about for the bulls today. What led the markets higher? Rate sensitive. So banking pack, all of the banking clusters today doing very well in the session. HDFC Bank, news flow coming in there, positive news flow, up 3.5% higher. IndusInd Bank, 6.5% higher. And along with that, the whole host of private banks, IDFC First Bank, news of preferential fundraise via preferential allotment, that particular stock too, doing quite well. The entire auto pack, auto ancillaries, tire stocks, the entire pack moved higher today. Samvardhana Motherson, one of the top gainers in case no tariff does come through. That stock higher by 8%. Bharat Forge a 7% move today. Some of the tire stocks doing very well like Balkrishna and MRF, and Ashok Leyland also topping off the list there with a 3% gain. What also did well, the entire Realty pack, a very, very strong bounce back. Macro tech developers low down on the back of the positive news flow of both of the brothers coming to an agreement. That stock are higher by 8%. But the other realty stocks weren't left behind. So names like Anantraj, DLF, Prestige, all of these stocks doing very well in the session. Now moving to the broader end of the markets, if you look at the NSE 500, Sai Life Sciences, that particular stock doing very well in the session today. And Mazgon Dock, again, this particular stock was one of the stocks that actually saw very, very strong volumes, and it ended as the top mid-cap gainer. On the other hand, very few negative stocks, but one of the stocks on the back of regulatory concerns, Allied Blenders ended low by 3%. Saw a bit of a recovery, clarification coming in from the management towards the end of the trading session. Bit of a bounce back, but ended 3% lower. And Aster DM Healthcare, the NSE 500 top laggard, and that particular stock ended lower by 2% today.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Well, those